if you don't, that confusion could lead to serious issues. So, right turn at the stop sign. So, I'm going to stop before the line here. You did this really well. Complete stop before the line. And then you just inched out here, turning it to the right. And you were scanning perfectly. It looked really good.
Everything was great until...
Yeah, there was a car over here. So they were on the other side, right? So you signaled. But then that car was right over there.
Yeah,
you could have turned in, but you stopped and you almost got rear-ended. Right here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so now I'm going to do the reverse parking on this side here. Signal right. I'm moving away from the bumpers, checking the rear view mirror. And I'm going to stop when I see his brake light right about there. Into reverse. Crank your wheel, look around, make sure it's safe. And right about here, I notice I'm going to be too far from the car, so I'm just going to stop right here, look around, like that. I just want to get a little bit closer to that car, so you have to reposition.
I couldn't reposition myself though. Like, what was I supposed to do?
There. You could have repositioned yourself.
I know, but I wasn't getting it.
Well, when you back in here and you notice that you're too far, you continued. You kept on backing up
So
and
where
backing
do
up.
I go? My wheels go where?
Okay. So what happened was this here.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna watch. So now if
I was too far.
watch. If you get too close to the car here like this and try to back in,
I was too close.
you're going to end up way too far. See? Way too far. Now I'm on that yellow line over here, and at this point you stop.
Well, I can't use that.
Just glance at it.
Okay.
Just like that.
So wait, now what do you do with your wheel? You just went right? You go right?
To the right.
You went to the right?
So watch. Here, I'll do this one here. You're going to have to get out there and practice. So, there we go. I see the headlight in the small window.
No, like, I'm fine with reverse parking.
Yeah?
This is the first time I've had a problem.
Okay.
I've never had a problem with reverse parking. Every time we did it, I've got it.
Yeah. So, you notice right over here, the blue car? I still have enough room, right? I'm not going to get too close to him. I'm not too close over here either. Now I'm stopping when I'm straight, parallel to the cars.
Yeah.